Okay, I'm just putting this up. Go holes to the side. Putting it up here for right now. I want to get the bolts I want on it. Look at it, I can cut that off. True. Got way too much length on that. Let me have it. That's what you do. No, get it right. Do that, do this. So that's that. Tape. What breaks? Got 10 feet. Yeah. So 10 feet. 10 feet set up. I'm gonna have to adjust it. Adjust them again. Oh. Now you're on the outside. Okay. I'm good. That's why. I got one on the wrong side. Yeah. Now I want it. gotta be. I gotta be a foot off these walls. Come on. Thinking. Okay. It's kind of out there. I gotta get this. I gotta put another measurement there. Other side works well. Alright, here's my continuation of getting the door railings up. I got my bolts up here. Finally. Now I can go ahead and pull I can disconnect my cable here. Alright, I gotta tighten my wood. I got it nice and solid up here. And then what I need to do is I need to go back behind me and get the bolts tightened up over here, and then we will see how the door comes up. I bought I'm not sure if I'm going to go ahead and use the original door thing here. I gotta look into that because you got an upper piece here. I'm gonna have to see, like you got right up there, and I have to figure out how to get suppose I can get a 2x4. You go between there, just cut it, and then get two plates. One on the bottom and then one on the top, and that would hold those. The other option is I bought the spring kit, and that runs just like, you know, off of these here. It's gonna bolt. The spring's gonna bolt back here, and then your pulleys are attached up here, and your cable comes down. So as you're pulling your door, the pulleys are governing the cables. Not sure how I'm going to do that yet. Okay, and for my final tightening. 60. All right, sweet. Takes care of that. Okay, everything's solid. Already done the other side. So it looks like my door tracks are good for now. Until I decide what I want to do with the lift on it. I think the door is right around 120 pounds all together for lift. So it's not gonna be, gonna have to do something with a winch probably and get it up here so I can start the spring evolution. And I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do here, other than maybe put, like I said, maybe I'm going to see what it's going to take to put 2x4s in between here, and then put the big spring assembly across here and see if I can get that to work. If not, I'm probably going to go with the spring spring-loaded setup. Well, let's see. Okay, now what I'm doing is the springs. I think I'm gonna go with the big commercial ones here. Which means I gotta put in my pulleys. Pulleys on the end, a pulley on the end of that, and then I gotta get an eye bolt, and it's gonna go right here. So hard part's gonna be getting the door up and then getting the cable attached to the bottom of the door. And when the door goes down, it's attached to the springs. The springs control your up and down. Alright, here's the continuation. Alright, I got my pulleys up, got my springs up with the pulleys on the end of that, all the way around. Now, what I need to do is lift the door up all the way. And then I'm able to adjust the cables to the springs. Now, I think I'm going to have to use 2 springs. I don't know. We're going to find out. This can be a dangerous situation, I'm sure. So what we're going to do is go ahead and pull it up, and I'll be able to brace. Once I pull the door up, then I'll be able to brace underneath the door and get it up as high as I can get it. And then I'll go ahead and what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some C-clamps. And I'll put the C-clamps right in here. And then clamp it down, and I know the door's not going to come back down on me.